Introducing the ATC-1800 Portable Torque Tester, a compact and versatile desktop tester that revolutionizes the way you measure torque. Engineered by AIMCO, this advanced torque tester combines precision, versatility, and ease of use to cater to the needs of various industries. With 3 distinct measurement modes, including peak, first peak, and track modes, the ATC-1800 allows you to capture critical torque data based on your specific requirements. The convenient manual and auto-clear functions simplify the testing process, enabling efficient data management and analysis. Featuring multiple frequency response settings, this torque tester adapts to different testing scenarios, ensuring accurate and reliable measurements. The ATC-1800 supports bidirectional testing, providing comprehensive torque analysis capabilities with exceptional accuracy of 1%. With a capacity of 1,800 inch-pounds, a maximum torque of 203 Newton-meters, and a drive of 1/2 square, the ATC-1800 is built to handle demanding torque measurement applications. Its compact design makes it portable and convenient for use in various settings. Unlock the full potential of your torque measurement applications with the ATC-1800 Portable Torque Tester. Invest in precision, versatility, and reliability like never before.